You got all it in your face. Here's my happy baby. She might be sick when she's happy. Oh, Zelia. You're so funny. Okay. Silly girl. Okay. You need help? Okay. Do you not want it? Sheesh. Hey, why are you giving mommy such a hard time this morning? Hey. There. You're so much messier than your sister was. Now I understand sometimes people have like that, what do they call it, burp rag. Eek. Your sister was so much cleaner. And she was so much faster. She would deliberately suck at the bottle, not play with the bottle like you. Yeah? Well, no, there's not much light in here. Dork. Yes, you're a dork. Oh. Alright, if you don't want this, you don't get it. I'll give it to you later. You gonna sit up then? You don't need to lay down. You need exercise. Oh. You need to start crawling. Although, I'm perfectly content with you staying in one place. Only I already have one monkey I have to follow around. Yeah? You agree? You agree, Chunky Monkey? Oh. Guess I should have done that earlier. You look so much prettier. With the light shine on you. With the light shining on you. Yes? Hi. Oh, you have a little bit of a red eye with the flash. It's crazy. Super red eye. Yeah? Yes? Oh, I love you too. You're so pretty. Yeah. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Yes, you are. Hi. Hi. Yes. Are you happy? Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby? Huh? Yes, that would be mommy's leg that you're squeezing. Oh, you're so cute. Silly muffin. Are we all done now? From a sitting position, you went back to laying down. Why is that? What? Yeah? Such a stinking cutie pie. Yes, you are. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Alrighty. You're not doing anything overly exciting. I'm not turning it off now. So bye-bye. Good girl.